How to hide your Roblox inventory on mobile. So first off, I want you to open up the browser that you use. Whether it be Google Chrome or Safari, it doesn't matter. Then go to the roblox.com website. From here, you want to click on Continue in Browser. Simply log in with your credentials. Then click on the cogwheel icon in the top right corner and select Settings. From here, you want to click on Account Info, so you prompt this drop-down menu and select Privacy. Then scroll all the way down until you see this, Who can see my inventory? You want to click on this drop-down menu and select No one. You're given other options as well if you don't want certain people to see your inventory. For now, I'm going to leave it as no one. And as you can see, we got this green message that said our settings have been saved. So thank you for watching. I hope this helped you out. Leave a like and subscribe. I will see you next time. Goodbye.